Galaxy Academy.
Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Rick. I'd like to give you a few tips and techniques for helping your child to play and learn with Galaxy Academy. But first, I'd like to just encourage you. You don't have to be an expert in English to help your child learn. Simply spend 15 minutes per day practicing with your child. It's a great way to spend quality time with your child. Plus, you'll both be able to speak English more fluently. In this unit, we're learning about fruit. Our vocabulary is apple, banana, orange, and grape. Our sentence frame is, this is. Apple. This is an apple. Banana. This is a banana. Orange. This is an orange. Grape. This is a grape. Now you can practice with your kids at home. You can take your flashcards, cut them out, and then use them in practicing your vocabulary and your sentence frames. This is an apple. You can also use your flashcards to play a matching game, just like in the learning path inside Galaxy Academy. This is a big B. This is a little b. Little b and big B both make a B sound. In your tracing book, you're going to find how to write the letter B. You'll see there are numbers and arrows to show you how to make the letters, so your child can practice doing the writing at home. Now, if they're only 3 or 4 years old, they may not be able to write the letters perfectly, and that's okay. Let them learn to practice. They can do that using either their finger to trace the letter, maybe a marker or finger paints if that's easier, or a larger crayon. The important thing is that they begin to practice writing their letters. Next, you're going to find your phonics letter B worksheet for your phonics words. Have your child write the letter at the beginning of each word, and then go through and have them practice speaking the words. Now, our phonics words are bug, bed, boat, bus, ball, bee, boy, bear, bike, bat, bag, and bird. Then they can have fun coloring the sheet as well. So have fun practicing English with your kids. And remember, parents, you are your child's first and most important teacher. So have fun practicing with your kids. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next unit.
Galaxy Academy.